Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the foundation is in place. Install Python 3.11 or newer, pip, and a reliable editor. Once done, practice core syntax, variables, control flow, functions, and modules through short scripts you run locally. Make sure to initialize Git, set your name and email, and create a GitHub repo to push an initial project. This gives you version control skills and a public portfolio. Use small, focused exercises so you build momentum and visible evidence of progress quickly. Now iterate on substance. Set up virtual environments and learn PyTest so you can write reliable tests. Once you understand testing, create 3 focused projects: a CLI utility, a small web API using Flask or Fast API, and a data processing script that reads/writes files. Commit often, add GitHub actions to run tests on push, and maintain clear README. MD files that explain setup and usage. This combination teaches deployment basics, reproducibility, and can finish by polishing your portfolio. Ensure at least 3 projects have tests, documentation, and usage examples or screenshots. Once complete, rehearse coding challenges, prepare concise system design notes for common backend tasks, and research expected salaries so you negotiate confidently. If you hit blockers, use git bisect or revert to a known good commit. Read the full error stack to identify the root cause, and when asking for help, provide minimal, reproducible examples. This speeds solutions and shows professional troubleshooting habits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.